The stream be starting.
What up? What is going on, guys? How are you guys doing today? Welcome to the live stream. I'm not gonna be on for so long, probably like an hour, probably to like 11 in an hour. But thank you guys for coming. Don't forget to like, guys. Do not forget to like. Hope everyone's having a great night. Let's just put the music down just a tad bit. We'll take a look here. Our Bitcoin coming back to 85k. We'll see what's going on. Right, what's going on here with Bitcoin? But appreciate everyone coming in. Don't forget to like, guys. I'm gonna set up the TikTok live just in a sec as well. But we'll take a look here at Bitcoin. I did find some hidden bullish divergence, which is good here for Bitcoin. I want to show out right here. We can see, right? I'll share right here in a sec, which is in the cheat sheet right here. This is the cheat sheet I made for my course, which is coming out soon. I basically already made the course. I just have to edit, and I gotta like find a place on you know, because I wanted to give it out as a file, but it's gonna be so big. It's gonna be like double gigabytes, like 20, probably 15, 20 plus gigabytes. So I don't know about that. But we'll check out here the hidden bullish right there, right? Boom, boom. So I'm liking that hidden bullish divergence. I'm liking that right here on the monthly. But let's set up the TikTok real quick. Just in a sec, because it's still charging. My phone is still charging. Let's see here. All right. But 85k. Let's zoom in here into the daily. Let's see what we got here in the daily, because we did end today. The stock market had a really good day, right? Almost a reversal from yesterday, but we could see yesterday we went down to 78k, and a lot of people are saying that we filled the CME gap, but honestly we didn't, right? We'd have to come down here to 72, 70, around in this range to fill it out, in my opinion. But I'm not saying we can't still, right? But I did say the next level will be right here around 77, 78. So let's see here. On the weekly, and even on the weekly we're getting hidden bullish divergence, as you can see right here, right? This is hidden bullish divergence. Doesn't show it right there. Let me actually change this to, let me change my lines to something else. I think that color is pretty good. Let's see. Let's just put like a dark green, right? Almost like black. But yeah, let's get the TikTok started. Now, before we get the TikTok started, I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. So I'll be back in just a sec, guys. All right, guys, we are back. Just getting this set up for the TikTok. There we go. That should be good. Actually, put some light too. All right, what's up, Summer? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Put some light. All right, pretty good. Looks good. All right, we're live also on TikTok. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's see if we hold this level here. 85K. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Do not forget to like. Great to have you guys on here. Can I put a watermark? See if I put the watermark. Yeah, actually you can. Okay. Alright, not bad. But you guys can't even see the watermark, so it's... Let me just take out the watermark. Welcome to the live stream. Thank you guys for coming over. Take a look at Bitcoin. 85K. On the monthly, right? We're on the weekly now. We're taking a look at Bitcoin at the moment. That's what we're looking at. But I like here the weekly and the monthly for Bitcoin because we're getting some hidden bullish divergence, right? Which is kind of rare. And what you can see right here in the stochastic. See right there, we're putting a new low here for stochastic while we're putting a higher low. Right. So I mean that's good. That's hidden bullish divergence, and you know we also go on the weekly. We also see it on the weekly. You know, over here on the weekly. Right about right there. So I'm liking that. I'm liking that on the monthly and weekly for Bitcoin. That's a good sign. But thank you guys for coming to the live. Don't forget to like. Any coins about today? Today, not really, to be honest. I didn't buy any today. I didn't buy any today. Yesterday I did buy it a lot when Bitcoin was at 78K. Not concerned is selling may and go away. Yeah, look, you know, selling may and go away. I mean, that's just a phrase. It doesn't mean it's, you know, May is gonna be bearish. You know what I mean? That's just a phrase everyone talks about. But it's not like every single May of every year is bearish, right? I don't want you guys to I mean, the same thing for February. Everyone talks about February being crypto's most bullish month ever. And this February was one of the probably the worst February ever. So, you know, don't get into that psychology of May being always bearish. Jonathan says, you longy? I'm not sure what's up with crypto into futures. Yeah, I'm gonna take a, you know, if you guys want to trade with me, we're here on BTCC. We're taking a look at some coins. Let me know if there's any good trades here that we can take. I'm actually up really good here on BTCC. You can see right here my shorts for Giga up 435%. I'm actually down on this one 19%, but you know, on my shorts I'm up big. So but we're just taking a look at Bitcoin right here. I have a new chart set up. I like this. I like this color. Yeah, I trade in the US. But I like that hidden bullish divergence, right? It's in my cheat sheet here. Hidden bullish divergence. It's really when we put in the lower low on RSI or whatever momentum oscillator, but we put a higher high on the price. So that's a hidden bullish divergence right there. And what we're getting there right here with Bitcoin. I mean, this, you know, this doesn't mean we're gonna bounce tomorrow back to 90K, but it's a good sign for long term. So I'm liking that a lot here on the monthly, and we're also getting it on the weekly. So What exchange lets you trade in the US? So in the pinned comment, if you guys want to join, they have a deposit bonus. Okay, here's a deposit bonus. If you use my link right there, 10% on 500. Not bad deposit bonus, but it's a BTCC, and you don't need VPN, you don't need a KYC. So it's a great exchange. You can see some of my trades right here. I'm up pretty big, 435%. I'm down 19% on this one, but I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna do a, I'm gonna do like a high leverage trade here. Well, what should I do? Like 30%, 30x. But I want to find a good trade. We're gonna do a scalp trade very soon here on BTCC, and if you guys wanna come and trade with me, definitely you're welcome. So is Bitcoin bullish today? Yeah, I mean, so far it's been bullish today. A big part of that is the stock market too, right? I mean, it's not a huge, it's green on it was green on the day, I believe. And it might continue to go green because the stock market had a big bounce today. But we're going into the weekend, so you might see a bounce for Bitcoin. We're very overbought. Well, I mean, we're very, very oversold here on the daily, right? You see, as you can see right there. So, on the weekly too, very oversold. So we're bound to have a bounce soon. Doesn't mean it's the bottom, right? We can still dip down here to that range right there that everyone's talking about coming down to. And here's the thing, if we don't come down into this range on this dip, we're definitely coming down next bear market. That's, for sure. So, this is probably Bitcoin's most important point of control, is this level right here, because this is where it topped out last cycle, and this is where it, basically for months here, it was building support. So this is a big level. It's a big level here. Yeah, I know it's all connected now. I'm just curious because I don't watch it, but thanks. Anytime, Jonathan. Thank you, man. Thanks for coming to the live stream. Thank you guys for the likes on TikTok. Don't forget to like if you're on TikTok. Every like helps a lot. We'll take a look here at Ethereum. Let's see if Ethereum is looking good here. This was back in 2021. Wow. I mean, so Ethereum on the monthly. I don't know if there's any good coins. Let me actually check here some of the trades. I definitely want to do a nice scalp trade. Let me see any coins here that are looking good here to trade. Well, Pi's up 7%. Let's check out Pi. And if you want to know which exchange I'm using BTCC. We're looking for a scalp trade here. I think I'm gonna do 30x. I'm gonna do 30x for the stream. Well, it depends on which coin, so I might not be able to do 30x on this coin, but let's check out some other coins here. Just taking a look here. Altcoins, let's see the 24-hour change. You see Trump coins up 10%. Yeah, let's see Trump's coin. Let's see if this is looking good here for a trade. BTCC. How do they charge more? Yeah, no problem, brother. I'm just enjoying the night. I'm getting into trading a lot on the weekend. I'm bored, so I want to learn crypto because I know Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that. That's great. That's great, man. I mean, it's a great time to learn. I mean, because crypto's 24/7, so it's up on the weekend. The only thing I would say about the weekend is you know, trading crypto on the weekend is kind of tricky, right? Usually it's flat or it's, but yeah. Nah, yeah, I'm definitely gonna be careful. Don't worry. And thank you guys for all the likes. Let's see if we can find a nice scalp trade here. Looking for a nice scalp trade. See any coins that are down big here? Peanut, I mean, Peanut was up 30% or something like that today, I believe. So Solana thoughts. I think Solana will recover. I mean, Solana right now, I'm just I bought some more and I'm just staking it. I mean, Peanut right now kind of looks like a bear flag, right? Something like that. So it might break to the downside, but we'll see. You take a look at Jasmine. Sure, we'll take a look at those coins. Let's take a look here at Jasmine. Hope you guys like my new setup. I like it a lot. I'm gonna use it a lot to make videos. But we'll check out Jasmine here. We'll check out some of your favorite coins. Just comment them below and we'll check them out, of course. Let me see if this one's a better chart. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, Jasmine, man. It's like a double top here for Jasmine, right? It's kind of in a scenario here. If it breaks this, it's not going to be good. So far, it's holding it. Right, but I'm just showing you guys this level right here for Jasmine. If it breaks this level, and this is the one too, this is the third time we are right here at this level for Jasmine. So I mean, if we break this level, if we get a closing under this, what is that, like under 0.16, right? On 0.16. Then I mean, it's downhill. I mean, next level for Jasmine, it's basically down here at 0.06. So it needs to hold this, and so far it is, right? I mean, it's not a bad time to buy Jasmine at the range low, right? It's at the range low, the support right here. It just needs to hold it. But man, I mean, it's on the weekly. Let's check out Jasmine. What I like about Jasmine is that it's very oversold on the weekly. So we were overbought. We were very overbought, and you know, we basically reset it at RSI back here to oversold. So I like the fact that Jasmine did that, but it doesn't mean it won't hold this, right? It needs to hold this level. It needs to hold this level, because if it doesn't, again, the next level support is 0.06. So it's a long way down there if it loses that. You guys been killing it. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you, Jonathan. I appreciate you coming on here, man. Thank you so much. Always great to have you. Shop boys, what's up, man? Comment below the next coin. I'm just taking a look here at some coins. Should I move it over so you guys can see what coin I'm looking at? I wish the watermark would be like here somewhere, but you know, I'll just move it over so you guys can see what coin we're checking out. Let's see. There we go. Now you guys are able to see, you know, what coin I'm looking at. Dogecoin, you want me to check out Doge? Sure. John, what's up, John? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Altcoin. No, actually, we'll do Altcoin first, because I saw his comment was first. So we'll check out Altcoin first. And you know, Altcoins, it's been holding up very well after this crash. I mean, before the crash, Altcoin actually, it pumped up very well here back in November, obviously, but also here in February. Altcoin had a really good February here. And you know, it hasn't dumped like many altcoins out there. So I'm liking Altcoin for sure. Even though it's very overbought on the monthly, so you gotta watch out for that. But you can see it's been putting higher highs. I mean, this is a coin that you want to buy right from the bear market, where it's in this nice uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, right? Because a lot of altcoins are still in bear market territory, so most likely Altcoin showing this price action is going to survive and break its all-time highs, right? After this was the key move right here for Altcoin, right? Coming down here, but then with this huge God candle right here breaking its previous high, that is bullish, and it's been holding that even with this crash. I mean, if Altcoin was looking weak, it would drop all the way down here to this level, but it hasn't, at least yet. So that looks better. So I do like Altcoin. I like how it's looking. Thank you guys for the likes. All right, let's check out the next coin. Shop Boys, thank you for the gift, man. Appreciate it. TGIF. Next coin, what was it? Dogecoin. Don't forget to like, follow if you guys are new. And of course, if you guys want to trade with me, join BTCC. It's the third link in the bio. You get a big deposit bonus. I'm going to try to put in a live trade here, a live scalp. Maybe like 30x leverage. Just got to find out the right coin to trade. We'll keep our eyes open here. But yeah, Dogecoin. Let's take a look at Doge. I want to see if there's any bullish divergence here on Doge too. Because we did see bullish divergence on Bitcoin. And let me see right here. Yeah, we do have hidden bullish divergence. Look at that. So we have hidden bullish divergence on Dogecoin, and I'll show you guys right here what it is. This is my cheat sheet, by the way, that I made. This is gonna be in my course coming out. And this cheat sheet right here, you can see hidden bullish divergence is basically price is putting in a higher low, oscillators putting in a lower low, right? So you can see Dogecoin right there, and then we come down here, right? The stochastic, it's clearly putting in a lower low, so that's good. Hidden bullish divergence is usually very rare, but we're able to catch it right here for Dogecoin on the weekly. So that's a good thing for the future. You think Trump will close the post office? No, I don't think he's gonna close the post office. Don't think he will do that. What do I think about DOT? I think DOT is not looking good on the charts. We'll take a look at DOT soon, but I do like. Look, I like Dogecoin still. It's one of the coins that's on my list that looks really good in the charts still, even after this crash. Right. We're still in a long-term uptrend here for Dogecoin, and until we break out of this structure, we're bullish. We're very bullish, and you can see it's ever since the bear market, right? We just been, in this nice uptrend here, and with this crash, we're retesting a critical support level right there. So Dogecoin putting in a higher low right here. The lowest it can go here to hit the trend line, 13 cents, right? If we have a crazy panic crash, that's the lowest I would expect Dogecoin to go, hit that trend line. But it might take it might come down here to 15. It depends on the timing, but I don't expect it to hold. At worst, it could come down here to 16. Bitcoin drops to 70K. But I would expect Dogecoin to hold this level and put in a higher low. What's up, Prince? How you been, bro? Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you for the bolts. We were just covering one of your favorite coins, Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is looking good. Dogecoin is one of the coins looking good here Looking very, very good. What type of divergence is this too? Let me look at my cheat sheet real quick, because I don't know if this is hidden bullish or, let me see real quick. No. It's not any type of divergence. Wait. Equal. Oh, it's actually hidden. It's actually bearish divergence. Right? Higher high. So I mean that, yeah, I mean that is bearish divergence right there for Dogecoin. But at the same time, we have hidden bullish divergence. So it's like, I'm thinking about picking up a Camelot token. Never heard of that coin. Camelot, what coin is that? Yeah, it kind of does looks like a cup and handle, right? I mean, since last top, right? So looking good. I mean, I believe Dogecoin will bounce off this level. Like I said, you know, some regions here to long Dogecoin, 16 cents, 16, and the last area support 13. If we have a big drop, but 16 cents. Thank you for the follows. You guys been killing it. Yeah, waiting for the pull down to finish by a bag of Doge. Yeah, I mean, look, that's the thing, right, guys? You know, I bought Dogecoin at 18, 19 cents. Like, I can't tell you if Dogecoin is going to drop further, right? You know, I'm not saying to buy right now. I'm just saying that, you know, sometimes people, what I see a lot of people doing right now is they're looking at Bitcoin and they're seeing everyone, a lot of influencers saying, look, we're going to keep dropping, you know, we're going to come back, we're going to come down to this level, 70s, 60s. So a lot of people, in fact, are just selling at a loss right now and waiting to buy lower, or just waiting to buy lower. And I mean, we're not guaranteed to come to these levels, right? So, you know, the same way that there's greed to the upside, there's also greed to the downside. But, you know, just want to share here on Bitcoin. We got hidden bullish divergence on Bitcoin. This is a very good sign. I'm going to show you right here. You know, right here. Boom. Right. And then on the stochastic right here, we're putting in a lower low. That's clear hidden bullish divergence. Doesn't mean we're going to bounce tomorrow or next week, but long term, you can see right here, hidden bullish divergence on my cheat sheet. That's a good sign. That's a good sign for the next coming weeks to month. Frank B, what's up, Frank? RSR, check out RSR. Sure. RSR was actually a coin I did buy yesterday. Not today, but I did buy yesterday. RSR token. Let me see a better. Let me see Gate.io. There we go. I think 16 cents to 18 will be a good. Yeah, like I said, it could tag 16 cents. Trying to find a good chart here for RSR. Let's just do the Binance one. But RSR is looking good too. It's one of the coins here that's in the uptrend, even with this big crash, right? Coming back to this big level right here. So, you know, RSR, you know, it could come down here to retest its previous support level around 0047, last area of support. But I mean, it's been holding, even with this big crash, it's been holding up well. So I like RSR's price action. I like what it's doing. It's still in this nice uptrend, believe it or not. So, you know, you can see right there. So you can see the bottom. I mean, it could come down here and test, you know, depending based on this downtrend. 0.005, right? Half a penny. So you might still come down to half a penny, 0.005. I think that's a good buy limit right there. Not financial advice, but Very bullish. I like RSR. I like what it's doing. Now, someone talked about Polkadot. Polkadot not looking good. I mean, Polkadot hasn't been looking good for a while. And I'm not saying Polkadot won't recover and come back to life. It's just, I mean, we're still in bear market levels here. The only good, I mean, the good thing is it hasn't broken, right? It hasn't put in a new low. But still, I mean, Polkadot's same prices here as it was back in 2022. Right. Meanwhile, a lot of altcoins are, you know, I mean, like Dogecoin, for example, back in 2022, 2023, it was 6 cents, 5 cents. So it's not a good sign for Polkadot. Let's also check the weekly. Yeah. Now, you know, we have a double top here. We're coming here for another test of the support. So worst case scenario is Polkadot loses that support at 370 and it just goes further down. I think check XLM. Sure, let's check out XLM. Let's take a look at XLM. This is a coin I've been looking to buy. I did buy a little bit, I believe, but I've been looking to buy more. You see XLM right here. It's been holding up well, right? I mean, this level right here, showing a lot of strength in this level for XLM, which was basically the previous two levels here where it topped out, right? From 27 to 60. But we zoom in here on the weekly. I mean, ultimately, it looks like XLM is in a, you know, like a kind of like a falling wedge, right? See right there. So, you know, we're back to oversold. Last time XLM was this, I mean, this is a good sign right here, right? This is, in my opinion, this is improvement bullish for XLM, because last time we were this oversold was when XLM was at 8 cents. 8 cents. So I like the fact that XLM is oversold on the weekly. And again, we were 8 cents here back when it was this in this region in the stochastic. So that's good. Thank you, Prince. Thank you for the bolts. You know, I'll give you some levels here, right? If XLM manages to close below 27, right, then we might have a sharp drop to 15 cents, right? Next area of support. I mean, so yeah, I mean, there's this big gap here from 27 to 15 cents here that might need to get filled, right? Just like Bitcoin's gap is getting filled. You know, this XLM's gap might get filled too here from 27 to 15. So you might come down and try to bottom around 17, somewhere kind of in the middle, right? 20, 19. So if you see XLM at 19, 20 cents, might be a good deal. Again, if XLM is super bullish, it's going to hold this level. If it does, that's a very bullish sign right there, that there are a lot of buyers right here at this level for XLM. So Bitcoin holding 85K. Are we going back to 86? Let's see. What's the next coin, guys? Comment the next coin. AXL. All right, let's check out AXL. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and watch my videos too on YouTube, guys. Post a video every single day. Definitely check them out. Check out AXL. Is this the right one? Is it AXL Inu? Let me know. Let me know which coin it is. Stefan says link, please. All right, let's check out Chainlink. I'm gonna take out more of Fibonacci here so we can see some Fibonacci levels, but you know, Chainlink is another coin that's one of my top holdings. You can see based on the structure, it's very bullish, right? We're in an uptrend. We're coming down for a big retest of this level right here. So, you know, I believe Chainlink has everything to bottom out in this range level, which is a range level from 13 to 17, right? I mean, recently, you know, Chainlink came up to as high as 22, and then we had a big correction down to, what was that, $8. So I mean, last correction, Chainlink fell 63%, 64%. I don't expect it to be 64% this time. So far, it's been 56%. So this is, you know, I mean, to me, this just shows me that we're near a bottom, and I would expect Chainlink to bottom around here, above $13. Right, I expect Chainlink to continue this uptrend, which it's been in here since the bear market. So I mean, this is why I bought Chainlink. This is why I added more to my Chainlink holdings, even though I have a lot already. And let's go here on the weekly. The weekly too, very bullish, because we managed to reset that stochastic. We're back here to oversold. Last time we were this oversold was when Chainlink was down here at $9 to $8. So that's good. That's very good, right? Because we were at $9 to $8 last time we were this oversold on the weekly. Chainlink shot up to 31 bucks. You see how I got very overbought? That, I mean, this is why I love stochastic. This is telling you that it's good times to take profit. But most people don't think about taking profits because they think Chainlink might go to 50 plus. But the stochastic, the RSI, even, let me actually change the RSI color, because yellow is kind of, maybe I should change it to, I don't know. Yeah, I might change it to like a dark color so it can be more visible. Purple, yeah, that's a good color right there. We're changing it to purple. So even the stochastic right there, I mean the RSI, very overbought. Money, everything was overbought. Everything was overbought. And then we had a 56% correction. So yeah. Thank you for the follow, Stefan. Appreciate it. Sorry if I missed any gifts, guys. If you guys are new to me, definitely follow. I have a free Telegram community in the link tree. It's the second link. 100% free Telegram. We got over 1,000 people. Just a crypto community. Definitely join. XRP. Okay, we'll do XRP. Elixir. Okay, let me see if I can find it. Okay, it's this one. Okay, I got it. I think I found, is it this one? Yeah, this one right here. Okay. When did this coin come out? Because it's showing here till 2022. Did it come out in 2022? ICP. I'll check ICP too. I mean, it doesn't look too good, to be honest. Let me see a better chart. Yeah, I think it came out around that time. It doesn't look too good, right? We lost our previous low. We're coming back here to bear market bottoms here from back in 2023 when it bottomed out. So, I mean, we actually hit that. I mean, we wicked down there yesterday to the exact bear market bottom. So, I mean, if you believe in this coin, it's a great time to buy. But it doesn't look bullish at all, right? For this to be bullish, I mean, we'd have to see maybe like a bullish pattern right? Come back up, kind of like an inverted head and shoulders, and then go to the upside. So if you believe it could do something like that, which it can, but again, it's gonna take a lot. You just zoom out, you see this is in the long-term downtrend. So XRP, let's check out XRP. Don't forget to like, guys. Almost at 2,000 likes. Let's check out if XRP is a buy. I have been buying XRP. I'm not gonna lie. I have been buying XRP the last 2 days. But we're gonna check out its chart. Let's take this out of here. I haven't checked out XRP's chart recently, but we can check it out right now. So I mean, we're coming back here to oversold for XRP. Last time we were this oversold, 51 cents. So I mean, this is great, right? Because the reason why this is bullish, right, for stochastic is because even though we're coming all the way back here to oversold territory, it's not like XRP is dropping back down to 50, 60 cents. You see that? It's holding this level here above $2. So that's very bullish because we reset that stochastic to oversold. We hold this level $2, even if it's 180. And then we have all this space, right, to come back here to overbought once XRP starts to move to the upside. So it's showing signs of strength, right? These are all signs of strength here for XRP, right? It doesn't mean we won't drop here further. I would say the big level here for XRP, if it has a big drop, it's like 150, right? If it kind of looks like a head and shoulders, to be honest, right? So if this head and shoulders plays out, something like that, if we lose this neckline right here of $2.04, so if we close here below $2, basically we're coming to 150 for XRP. So let's get the measured move here, and voila, look at that. Even the measured move tells you we're going to 150 if we lose that neckline, of course, because we can see right here, right, we get that measured move here from the head. And look at that. All right, my exact range. So yeah, I mean, so far XRP's been holding up well, but that's just the thing you got to know. $2. Thank you for the follows. But I have been buying XRP. I have been buying it. Yeah, XRP too. XRP is one of my top holdings, along with Dogecoin. All right, what's the next coin? Pepe. Gary on YouTube asked for Pepe. Check out Pepe. Yeah, I mean, this chart's fine. Yeah. So look, Pepe's it's a meme coin that's been holding up extremely well. Again, it's in its very important support level here. So the probability is that Pepe bounces off this level. It's not guaranteed, but you know, if we do lose this level, the next area of support here is right here, right? 56. And then if we lose that, then it's a long way back down here to 28. Right, to this level right here for Pepe. So I'm just giving you areas here if Pepe loses the support level. But I expect it to hold. You know, I believe it would have lost it already with this huge crash, but I mean, Pepe's been holding up well. It's been one of the nice meme coin, one of the top meme coins here, holding up well along with Doge, right? And we reset it as stochastic. Last time we were this oversold, All right. Kind of is hidden bullish divergence too, as you can see, which is good, right? We're going up here, but we're putting in a new low here on stochastic. That's hidden bullish divergence. You can see right here on my cheat sheet. You go right here, hidden bullish divergence right there. So we're getting, I mean, we're getting it for Bitcoin, for Pepe, Dogecoin. So I'm liking that. I'm liking that for the market. All right, next coin, Solana. Thank you for the hearts. Appreciate all the likes, guys. You guys been killing it. Usually I have over like 100 people, but you know, Friday nights, Saturday nights, most people are on TikTok. Let's check out Solana, see how Solana's doing, because we know Solana's down a really big amount here. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we can see right here. I mean, the next area of support for Solana is 113. But it's been holding up well, right? That was the last area here. I mean, we held this level here for months before it took off. And, you know, even though this was a big drop for Solana, it hasn't broken its major key support, which is 113, 112 right here. Right, so Solana's been holding. I mean, even though this is a big crash, you know, it hasn't broken this level right here at 113. You know, so, you know, when you look at this, you know, Solana's just ranging, right? It's going to be ranging here. It's range low, and very soon it's going to start to go back up, in my opinion. But I do like the fact that we're back here to oversold on the monthly. That's extremely bullish. You know, as we were very overbought right here. And now, so we were overbought right here. Now we're coming down to oversold on the monthly. And on the weekly, as well, right? We actually, before the big crash here, you can see my indicator on the RSI, which is in purple. It actually gave some bearish divergence here, as you can see. So you can see here the regular RSI for Solana. We were putting in a lower low, but we were equal here, right? So we were same price there, but we were putting in a lower low. So that's showing signs of weakness, right? The momentum is losing. It's losing momentum, and it played out perfectly. Solana, big drop with that bearish divergence. So. But yeah, like I said, if it loses that 113, I'll say the last area of support after that 113 is this level right here, 76 to 99. So you can have a huge panic crash to there, 99, 70, somewhere in this range, right? But either way, I'm bullish on Solana long term. I don't think Solana is going back to like $8. But yeah, let's check out Bitcoin dominance. Haven't checking that out yet. Bitcoin dominance still strong. Bitcoin dominance still above 60. Thank you guys for the follows. I do like the total market cap coming down to this level. I do like this because it's kind of like what Bitcoin is aiming to do, but Bitcoin hasn't done yet. But you see the total market cap for crypto coming back to retest the previous all-time high. This is another big reason why I bought. This is why you know, looking at this chart is another big reason why I bought the last 3 days when we have max extreme fear. Right? I like this retesting its previous all-time high and the major top here from back in April, March. So the probability is that it will hold this level, right, and put in a higher low. Even if we go further down, I would expect this to put in a higher low and continue this long-term uptrend. So I like the total market cap. I like what it's doing. Check out Cardano real quick. What is the job that we can achieve 30% during this vacation? What do you mean? What do you mean? 30% of this vacation? I don't know what you mean by that. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll be live again this weekend, guys, for sure. Check out my YouTube channel and use the BTCC, okay? The link if you guys want to trade. But I'll be live again. Thank you guys for the likes. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Me hearties, the stream be ending.